Let me show you how to create a perspective bending effect in Photoshop. This tutorial is one of my in-app Photoshop tutorials. You can open the asset for this tutorial directly from your installation of Photoshop, and you can follow along with coach marks showing you each step of the process. To open this tutorial in Photoshop, go into the Discover panel by clicking on this icon or by pressing Ctrl F on Windows, that's Command F on the Mac. And click on Hands-on Tutorials, then scroll down until you find this tutorial, or type Create a Perspective Bending Effect in the search bar. Then click to open the tutorial. Next, press the blue Start Tutorial button to open the tutorial files in Photoshop, and then you can follow along with the guided on-screen overlays or this video. No worries if you don't have the latest version of Photoshop. You can follow along with older versions as well by downloading the tutorial files from my website. The link is in the description. This tutorial will teach you how to duplicate and transform a layer to create a perspective bending effect. The first step is to duplicate the background layer. You can do so in one of two ways. You can press Ctrl J on Windows, that's Command J on the Mac, or you can go into the Layer menu and select New Layer via Copy. Either method will work. Next, go into the Edit menu and under Transform, choose Flip Horizontal. Then go back into the Edit menu and under Transform, select Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. From the toolbar, select the Move tool, zoom out so that you can see plenty of the space around the image. You can zoom out by going into the View menu and selecting Zoom Out. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut, Control on Windows, Command on the Mac, and tap on the minus key. Then, drag the duplicate layer down and to the left so that the top left corner of the layer aligns with the top left corner of the canvas. From the toolbar, nested under the lasso tool, select the polygonal lasso tool and click just outside of the lower left of the canvas. Then click just outside of the top left corner and double click on the lower right corner of the vertical layer, not the canvas, to close the selection and create a triangular selection on the bottom left of the image. Next, click on the layer mask icon to create a layer mask from the active selection. This technique works best on images with a lot of sky, a clear horizon edge, and an uncomplicated foreground. Of course, images with more intricate details will require more editing. If you like this technique, hit that like button now, and remember to check out all my in-app Photoshop tutorials in the Discover panel, like my tutorial on changing summer into winter. You can watch it here. My name is Jesus Ramirez. Thank you so much for watching.